10 seconds ahead of Lopez. Duclos in third. Dupuy is fourth now, with Pellicer in fifth, 16.5 minutes behind. Gilles de Villiers was flying in the car today, pushing his Volkswagen to the limit in a bid to make up 1 minute and 44 seconds that he lay behind the rally leader Peder Hansel. At checkpoint 1, he was fastest and consolidated his advantage on the second split. However, this happened 40 kilometres from the end. His Touareg had dug into the soft ground over a bump and rolled 4 times, ripping itself to pieces. Due to the strength of the German car, both driver and co-driver were able to walk away with just small bruises. The car was a mess.
It was a double to triple, for us, and we hit the first bump, and then we landed in the second one, and it just kicked it up, and we went on the nose. And
de Villiers was out then, but he placed his bodywork beside the road as a warning to others about the particularly huge bumps. Carlos Sainz was visibly upset about the retirement of his teammate, especially as he was also nearly caught out by the same monster lumps. But despite hating the bumps, he took stage victory by over a minute, and now is only 22 seconds behind the rally lead. He said it was a complicated stage for us this morning because of the danger points that we didn't know about. He said, I don't know how much I am, but I'm sure we've closed the gap to the lead. Stefan Peder Hansel and his Mitsubishi have been faultless so far in the rally, but today his luck would change. Not only did he get a puncture, but the spare wheel wouldn't fit, costing him 4 minutes. However, the 7-time Dakar winner bounced back with a leg win in the afternoon to keep his rally lead. But now it is very, very close. Dieter Depping ended the day an uncharacteristically low 5th, just 5 minutes behind the ultimate pace. However, expect the German to get his car tuned for the pass tomorrow and capitalise on his 4th overall. The big Hummer really loves these bumpy terrain, and in the morning, Robbie Gordon took the leg victory. He'd started the day 7 minutes behind Peder Hansel after his brake-related incident yesterday, which was an incredible feat, as he only lost 6 minutes in a ditch. Bursting with confidence in the afternoon, he was also looking for a good result, until disaster struck. Going over a particularly big bump.
We bottomed out and broke all the bolts on the hub. No lug wrench.
Robbie Gordon had destroyed the rear left of his car, having to fix it on the roadside. The repair cost him any chance of rally victory. Listen to that beautiful sounding engine, and it's great to see the Hummer back on the road. In the inter-team battle between Roma and Alphon, it was biker Roma who had the advantage today. Roma, who was back, was suffering with torturous terrain, finished the day second, a minute back from Sainz, and a minute ahead of Alphon. Roma is third. Alphon finished today only 1 minute back from Depping in 5th position. Luke says on the day, the accident of Gilles de Villiers would have shocked the VW team, as they now have lost 2 cars and incidents on this rally. But there's still Sainz, who is a very good driver, and he is very fast, but we'll have to check the standings. Nasser Al-Attiyah and BMW have had no luck on the Central Europe rally since the start. However, they did have the pace yesterday, only 7 seconds behind Sainz. It's been a titanic struggle for 4th, but today, early in the stage, the BMW hit problems.
We do only 11 kilometers and immediately the car stopped. Some maybe electric, sensors like this. Now we try find the problems,
And to other stories, Petrus van Kruisdijk from the Dutch Rebels is an ex-Army Marine and thus is used to be being shaken up, which is exactly what happened this morning when he put his bowler on his side. But after some technical fixes, including duct tape and ratchets,
good guys, Dutch Rebels.
the Cars is back on his way.
Off we go.
The Dutch Rebels were not the only people in trouble on the rally today. Many other drivers were experiencing problems. Let's go on board with Carlos Souza, who is 6th overall. So, the stage 5 results then. Sainz from Romain and Alphon, Pederhansel in 4th and Depping in 5th, making it a Mitsubishi day today. Overall though, Pederhansel is just ahead of Sainz, Romain in 3rd, Depping in 4th and Alphon slips to 5th. So to the trucks. Hans Stacey has been the man in the charge of the truck race from the start of the rally, only giving one special to the Thatcher of Alex Loprat. Today he was equally impressive, taking a 5-minute victory to stretch his overall lead to 24 minutes. The extremely bumpy tracks taking their toll on the large vehicles, which took over 2 hours to complete today. Loprat has been second for much of the rally and has not, for the tyre problems, he would still be in contention of snapping up the lead. Loprat was second today but lies 42 minutes behind the overall time. So tomorrow then, well, in simple terms, it's an exact repeat of today with 211 kilometres of competitive stage joined together by just 100 kilometres of liaison roads. With tomorrow being the penultimate day of the rally, it's going to be great to see who comes out on top. It really is a titanic struggle between the Mitsubishis and the VWs, and specifically, it's going to be Sainz versus Pederhansel. Join us tomorrow for the penultimate day of the rally.
In 2007.
Today's stage then is an exact replica of yesterday's event with a morning leg of 157 kilometres in the morning and then a 54 kilometre special in the afternoon. Again, the trucks will not take to this second leg.